It happens sometimes. You turn on your TV and there's no picture. If you know your provider's server is up and running, this might just be the solution you're looking for. Try reloading your playlist. Here's how to do it. Hit the back button to bring up the EPG. Keep the OK button on your remote pressed to bring up the channel menu. Scroll down and select Settings. In the Settings menu, choose Playlists. Pick your playlist. Scroll down and hit Update Playlist. Once that's done, you can set it to update automatically every time you launch TiviMate. And that's it! Now you know how to update your playlist in TiviMate the easy way. If this helped you out, hit that like button. And if you want more tips like this, make sure to subscribe. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help. See you in the next one. Happy watching!